For question 4 and question 5, you're using the information given in the graph, this graph and this graph, to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form, which is given to you twice here. This is y-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, and it's also up here. So what you need to write the equation is you just need two pieces of information. You need to know what is the slope of the line and what is the y-intercept. So to find the b value, or the y-intercept, you look at where this line crosses the y-axis. And remember that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So it crosses the y-axis at 4. So you know that your b value is 4. And then you can calculate the slope of this line. We're going, our rise is 4. And our run is 3. So we know that our slope is 4/3. And we also know that our slope is positive because from left to right, our line is going uphill. So we know that our slope is positive 4/3. And then over here, this is just a typo. There shouldn't have been another question. So on your test, you get free points for this one because it was my mistake. I forgot to put different points here. So what you do to wrap up this question is you just plug these numbers in. So you'll get y equals 4/3 x plus 4. You can also type this if you want. So if you're more into typing, you can type 4/3 x plus 4. Now, technically, this isn't quite mathematically true because this puts the x in the denominator of the fraction, which is not what we want. So you can either write it like this with the x next to the 4, or you can type it like this and put the x after parentheses. But I'm not going to take off points if you type it without the parentheses, but mathematically it's better to write it either like this or like this. So either one of those is okay, but mathematically this is true. I won't take off points if you don't write it these ways, but these are the two mathematically correct ways to type this linear equation. So if you write it like this, 4/3 and then x afterward is the same as 4/3 in parentheses times x, or 4 times x over 3. So any of these answers would be correct.